Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we can use about reduction variables. So I will put about u equals to this one. We know that this one we can do about factorization by number 2. Next, we can do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about number 1. dx over dx that is about number 1. So we can see that we have dy over dx in here. So I will put number 2 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 3. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one we change for this one. So now we multiply both sides by number 3. And then I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by this one. So we have like this. Next, negative number 2 go to the right. Now we can do common denominator. Now we need to simplify this one. Oh, we have u minus 7 in here. So I will put this one go to the left, dx go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So, in this one, I will put about negative number 14. Later that we need to add back that is about positive number 9. So we can do about factorization by number 2. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. The integration of number 2 that is about u. The integration of this one that is about number 9, Fn of the absolute value of u minus 7. And I will put about c. This one that is about s. About u that is about this one. So we need to expand for s minus s, we have 3s This is the end. Thank you for watching.